Welcome to FORDF100WORLD's. Thank you. Come again.
No.
Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to FORDF100WORLD's. Thank you. Come again. Hey guys, thank you for showing up. It was a small get together. I really appreciate you guys coming. I know there's about 10 things going on this weekend, and half of us are going there afterwards. Just to give you a little tidbit about the cruise, Shay came up with a good idea. We're going to kind of try to put it into. Do I even need this?
What?
No, not really.
Long story short, we're going to basically kind of try to line up body style, era type thing. Either you're first or last.
Last.
You're either first or you're last.
Because I don't know where we're going, so
Okay.
I gotta.
Cool.
If you go last, because you guys, if I don't know how to go slow, and I don't know how to go. So
My truck will set the pace. My dad's truck. For sure. Wherever you end up, that's fine. Just put go in there.
all right.
From there, basically, I think I'm going to hit this way. Does anyone need to use the restroom? Because the restroom broke here. We broke it.
Nice.
I wasn't really So basically, we're going to head up here. I'm probably going to take that way because it's a little prettier to 125, 125 to AD. We're going to go around. If you guys see a white picket or white fence, that is the guy. What's the guy's name that owns the Cowboys? Good. No Cowboy fans here. Good. Gary Jones. That's his ranch. So we're going to be going along there. It's along Shiloh. That's his ranch that he has here. So that's kind of a cool little, you know, like. On your right is Jerry Cowboys. So yeah, and then we're going to head up to basically 125 again, and we'll end up basically west of Stratford. A couple of you guys are worried about gas and stuff. If you feel like you really have to, you can take a right, and there's gas stations there. But we're going left. And we're going to go to Kearney. We're going to take Kearney all the way to Flintstone, where it's kind of used to be old Route 66, but they took out the concrete. It's also where that golf place is. And if you don't know what golf is,
That really helped, didn't it? Yeah. Okay.
and then from there, basically, we're going to fill up. A couple of the guys are going to head off, and we are going to take a route. And Randy is going to lead us to Gay Parita. It's a basically a Sinclair that turned museum, Route 66 Museum, and hopefully we'll have a drone up and it'll catch us driving by, because on the road there, 96 I think, is a Route 66 symbol logo thing. So we're going to drive past their dispenser where my sister will be.
Right?
Yeah!
Thank you.
She
Hey, y'all later. Appreciate
does
it.
everything anyway. And then there's a cool bridge to cross over, and that's the end of the route. But if you guys want to get out and take pictures, if not, she's going to be taking pictures, just rolling up real quick, roll up to the gas station, turn around, go. I noticed everyone has better ideas than I do, so I like to leave it open to.
True that, right? 100%. You guys are always
Not
us.
my cruise, it's a cruise. But so I like that idea. I will say, Gay Parita never got back to me, so I don't know if they're available. If they're available, we're either going to do it out in the parking lot, but I'd like to give you guys some stuff and say, hey, thank you and all that jazz. So. is Buena Vista Ranch. He has a ranch out here in the Missouri area around Springfield, Missouri. So this is just part of the cruise that we're going on. Look how beautiful this is. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. You guys should come on down next year. What is up, guys? That is right, like an idiot. I'm driving a non-power steering truck while on the phone. Guys, there's a big old cruise behind me there, and we're all doing an F100 World cruise. Hope you guys join us next year. The nearest one, if we don't do a fall one, will be at the Ozark Mountain Run in Branson, Missouri next year. Hope you guys enjoy it, and wish me luck that I don't wreck right now.